Hello and welcome to CryptoWeeklies. My name is Josh, and today we are going to discuss about Injective conduct its AI-based forecast and regression analysis. So, what is Injective? It's a layer 1 blockchain tailored specifically for DeFi application, enabling a range of financial products such as exchanges and derivatives. It uses fully decentralized order book for transparent trading. It's highly performant and cross-chain interoperable with Ethereum and IBC, which is Cosmos's enabled blockchains. So unique features are MEV resistance, prevents malicious front running and other behaviors such as exploitative behavior, and as well as has composable smart contracts built on CosmWasm, which is again facilitating complex and interchain DeFi applications. So some of the key use cases is governance for Injective. It's a governance token, voting on key network decisions for staking, and as well as for burn auctions. A portion of transaction fees are burned. And also it supports over 100 projects and about 150,000 community members. Major investors include Binance, Pantera Capital, and Mark Cuban. So again, a layer 1 blockchain tailored for a DeFi application. And just to summarize, this is again managed by a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO, allowing community driven decisions for INJ. So with this in mind, let's check at today's price action for Injective at around $25.80. To almost 93% of the total cap is in total supply is in circulation, does not have a max supply. Fully diluted market cap around 2.5 billion. It's currently ranked 42 by market cap. And now this is our website, which stores all of the analytics and data science and machine learning based forecast for crypto. This is Injective is just one example. You can see it's available for almost all of the top cryptos, and has a regression analysis, simple moving average, and dollar cost average based valuation, as well as TWAP based valuations for major cryptos. We'll start with the AI based forecast for Injective. This was one of our older models, trained in early June of 2024, when the price of Injective was again very close to today's price at around $25.80. And this AI based forecast that we had for Injective, which was trained on weekly price action starting October 2020, had the base case scenario for the current week, which is July 21st, which will end on July 21st. The base case scenario for our model was at around price action at around $27. The price is slightly under it. So if we were to extrapolate the base case back to about November of 2024, the base case scenario for Injective per our model is at around $35. None of the content is financial advice. We use statistics, AI, and machine learning techniques to forecast and analyze using regression based approach for valuation of a crypto. If the bull case were to come back and the market were to bullish, we have a bullish bias. The bull case scenario for our model is between $45 to about $100 for Injective. And the bear case is again between $10.50 and at around $15.78. So that's the upside and the downside. The purpose of this analysis is not to tell what will happen in the market tomorrow. That is determined by market forces. But if the price were to go up, how much can it go up? That is the bull case scenario, 1 standard deviation bull case. And if the price were to go down, what is the theoretical trailing support? So this is again the AI based model. Now we'll spend some time on analyzing the regression valuation for Injective. You can see right now the price has been in a downward trend, especially since 2023 ended for Injective. You can see the slope of this is the polynomial regression based analysis. The base case or the fair value is in the line in the middle, which is the pink line. On top of the pink line, there are three lines to the upside, which are 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviation, and 3 standard deviation. Color coded by yellow the 1 standard deviation, orange 2 standard deviation, and Similarly to the opposite side, the lime green is the 1 standard deviation bottom, the dark green is the 2 standard deviation bottom, and blue is the 3 standard deviation bottom. So if we were to analyze the token price right now, the fair value per hour model is at around $18, whereas the token price is at around $25, which is very close to the 1 standard deviation peak per hour AI model. You can see during the bear market phases, this particular use of this regression based model is that price does not have to have a linear relationship with time, where price always go up or with time, or goes down with time. But for this analysis, the price can have a non-linear relationship, where there are phases of the market where price goes up with time, that is typically in the bull market, and during the bear market the price has a downward slope, that is goes down with time. Right now, essentially when 2022 ended, the price for Injective has been in an upswing. You can see that price at one point was at around $1. It had made about a 40x move over in 2023. It was one of the top performing cryptos in 2023. Also, right now, if you were to analyze Injective and have a Sharpe ratio based model, which is analyzing top 7 gems of the crypto based on Sharpe ratio, which is the total return provided by the crypto divided by the volatility of that crypto. Injective is right in the middle, where the total returns since January 2023 have been about 17.28, that is about an 18x from its price on January 1st 2023, and the volatility is less than 1, that is that's why the Sharpe ratio is at around 18. Is one of the top 7 gems of the crypto market right now, per the volatility and Sharpe ratio based analysis. Going back to the valuation at this point in time, definitely looking slightly overvalued if you were to believe that the prices for Injective have to go down with time. We are in that, if you were to have that hypothesis that we are in that phase where prices are going down, then this 1 standard deviation peak is a key level to watch. If you believe that the crypto market would have a upswing in the coming weeks or days, the 2 standard deviation peak right now is at around $35.92, and that is a key level to watch. If the price goes up, and then again the secondary level to watch to the upside is at the 3 standard deviation peak at around $51. If that were to happen, I assume that the shape of this regression function would turn back to the upside, like it does during the end of the bear market and the beginning of the bull market. So that remains to be seen. If you are interested in following along Injective's daily regression based analysis, you can use the link on the bottom of your screen, CryptoWeeklies.com. All the charts are available on that website. You don't have to sign up or pay for anything. So in terms of where SMA or simple moving average based risk levels for Injective are, this is the price of Injective and compared with the 20-week moving average of Injective, and that based on the difference, the price is color coded using the risk levels, which is normalized between 0 and 1. So the key idea over here is when the risk levels are high, the color codes for example, when the risk is between 0.8 and 1, that's when the risk when the color codes are darkest of red in color. That DCAing during that phase of time is very close to the top. Similarly, the opposite end of that is when the price is in the very low risk level, like it was in April of 2023 and about first week of July of 2024. The lowest risk band, which is in purple in color, DCAing at that point in time is beneficial, because again, not financial advice, because at that point in time the price has moved so far to the downside from the 20-week moving average. Either the 20-week moving average has to come down to the price, or the price has to kind of have a local bottom and go back up, like it did in May of 2024 when the token spent a lot of time in this low risk environment. There was a mean reversion rally, again similar rally in July of 2024 again. So these key levels are important to watch. So for example, if you were to nail the bottoms for any crypto, this is one analysis. The other model is the dollar cost averaging related model, which not only looks at the difference between price and the moving average and color codes the color codes based on the difference. This is a proportional difference between the regression function, which is the line in gray, and the price, and based on that difference the color codes are arranged. So you can see that when the price is too far gone from the base regression function, and this is a proportional difference, proportional distance between the price and regression analysis, and also it accounts for a time based volatility reduction multiplier. So so for example, in April of 2023 this model flashed that the risk levels were high, and then again due to the overvaluation, the price had to kind of mean revert back to the regression fair value regression function, and then again during the bear market again of the bearish phase of 2023, the price went beyond this one standard deviation bottom, which is the green zone or the green dotted line. Right now, per this analysis, the risks associated with Injective is at around 0.58. That's because the price is very close to the one standard deviation peak per the regression analysis as well. And so just wanted to highlight this one again. You can see that the confluence when the risk level over here per the DCA model is less than 0.2, and again per the SMA risk analysis less than 0.1. That's when DCAing with those two indicators have been, personally speaking, beneficial. Now we'll spend some time on looking at the wider crypto and analyzing where we stand in terms of the simple moving average risks for Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are kind of a leading indicator of what is to happen in altcoin market. Bitcoin's at one point, that is in first week of July of 2024, risk levels were at 0.18. Again, this is also calculated by normalizing the proportional difference between the price and the 20-week moving average for BTC and ETH. And again on this y-axis, this bars help us understand where we stand. So if we are in low risk environment, lowest risk environment again, or moderate risk. So ETH is in moderate risk zone right now. That means altcoins which are slightly higher risk than ETH would be either in moderate risk or slightly high risk. For example, how Injective is right now at high risk. So this is another way to analyze, like for example in March of 2024 BTC risk was at 0.92. so that was market was very frothy at that point in time. So again, wanted to share this in terms of where the sentiment of related to crypto is currently looking at. This last 24 hours worth of news related to crypto, overall sentiment at around 52. Again, not too bullish, not too bearish. Most narratives are bullish. This is again all analyzed by our natural language processing based machine learning model. Looks at crypto related news generated over the last 24 hours and classifies if they are bullish, bearish, or neutral. In terms of the PeakValley, which is our attempt to analyze the entire crypto market, that is at least the top 100 cryptos by market cap, and analyze their risk score based on several risk factors such as alpha, beta, Sharpe ratio, percent drawdown, and volatility, and comes up with one risk score normalized between 0 and 1 and color coded from dark blue, which is the lowest risk, to dark red, which is the highest risk. Right now we are in moderate risk. Again, we had spent some time in low risk, that was in the first week of July, and we update this every single day. So if you are interested, you can subscribe to the channel to know whether the crypto market is currently in a downturn, or again, if there is a dip buying opportunity, which comes usually when the color code is either in green color or blue color. So especially during a sell-off event like we had from March to about July of 2024, that's when these analytics help, especially in timing some of the moves related to the market. Again, not financial advice. And lastly, I will leave you with this narrative word cloud, which is looking at what narratives are currently popular in the crypto market. This is scraped from content related to YouTube and X over the last 7 days and checks which narratives are getting some attention. Definitely Bitcoin is the most popular narrative, followed by bullishness, which has crept up, and the bearishness which was evident in the last 7 or 8 days. that narrative has gone down, but again it has its presence on this word cloud again. The relative size of bullish narrative is higher. That means most narratives or most discussions are related to the bullish sentiment. The other altcoins which are gaining some popularity, definitely Solana, Cardano, Ethereum is over here. Again, meme coins are in general is discussed a lot. Holding related culture, again some of the recent news related to BlackRock, again crypto related bottom related narratives are also gaining some popularity. So this is again one single this again gets refreshed every single day and looks at what narratives are gaining popularity. So with this I would like to conclude the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.